All right, it is time now to talk about weather, and it's going to get kind of boring because we're getting into that pattern, and not because you're saying it, but we're getting into that pattern now where it's just going to be these hot days, day after day.
Texas kind of needs a break, honestly.
True,
so
especially down in central Texas.
Yes.
They really need this pattern change.
They do. So it's not a bad thing necessarily. I know that it's...
Boring can be good.
Boring can be good. I know it's going to be miserable for the next couple of weeks, but we do kind of take a break from the big rain chances that we've seen over the next couple of weeks. It looks fairly dry across, not only here in North Texas, but most of the state. DBU, 94 right now, feels like 96. I wanted to show you this graphic I put together here just a minute ago to kind of illustrate how July has been. So I'm just looking at the high temperatures since the beginning of the month. 13 of the now 17 days have been below normal in the high temperature department. We've only had 2 above normal days, but just barely. The normal high this period was 95. That's where we were on the 9th, the 8th, the 10th were just above normal. The hottest so far this month has been 97. Today was 94. The normal high is 96 degrees. 76 the low this morning, the record 109 back in 1980. And outside now it's 94 degrees, feels like 96. Grass, that's your moderate pollen and fungus, always lingers. It's low today. We have a dry radar picture here across North Texas. We have a little bit of cloud cover here and there, and that's just going to continue to drift in and out of the area. So we'll call it a mostly clear night tonight. A lot of sunshine to start Friday. There could be a shower or thunderstorm because of the influence of a little tropical disturbance that's going to be moving into Louisiana later tomorrow. It's already approaching New Orleans right now, but it's not going to become a tropical storm. The chances of that have gone way down, but the influence of it could bring a shower or thunderstorm into East Texas. Mineola, Canton, Tyler, maybe as close as Athens could see a little bit of rain tomorrow, late afternoon into the evening, but the chances overall very low, and most of North Texas will just stay dry and hot. High temperatures over the next 5 days, middle and upper 90s. So here's the latest. This at one point in time had a 40% chance of becoming the next named storm, which would be Dexter. And that's when the center of this was out toward the panhandle of Florida. As it's kind of drifted right along the Gulf Coast, now entering toward New Orleans, it's gone down to 10%. So it didn't have enough time over the big open Gulf waters to form into a tropical depression. Still going to bring some very heavy rain and maybe some isolated flash flooding into parts of Louisiana. Still some scattered thunderstorms in Mississippi and Alabama. This is all going to lift to the north. So it's not moving into North Texas, but it will at least fling some showers and storms out toward Houston, Lake Charles, Nacogdoches area. You'll see a little bit of rain there. Overall, the system kind of decaying as it moves into the deep south. Tonight, 77 degrees. Mostly clear. Warm and muggy tonight with light winds. Tomorrow, 98. Mostly sunny. It's going to be a hot day. Heat index value close to 101. South winds 5 to 10. 14-day forecast. That's the boring that Jason was talking about. And again, it's not a bad thing at this point because the state of Texas has gone through quite a bit here over the last couple of weeks. So it's nice to see things kind of calm down a little bit. And honestly, I've seen a lot worse in July. I know it's going to be hot. Yes, it's going to be humid, but 1 or 2 triple-digit days there over the next 2 weeks. High temps, though, overall very close to the normal. Right now, it's 96. By the end of next week, it goes up to 97. So when you see the 98s, the 99s, that's truly only 1 or 2 degrees hotter than the normal high. And overall, right now, no extreme heat. No 105s, no 106s and 7s, which honestly are not that uncommon here in North Texas. So far, doing okay, Jason.